Hello, I'm Julia Child. Welcome to this volume of our video book, The Way to Cook.
Here's a new feature that they've built along the North Shore. They call it Sugarloaf Cove Nature Center on the North Shore Scenic Drive. Let's go check it out, shall we? What you get when you enter the Sugarloaf Cove scientific area is basically a trail through the woods, 2 half-mile segments, making a big circle, and throughout it you get kind of these signs that go blah 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 blah. This is an old logging site, so a lot of these placards have to do with what was once here, and now it's all pretty wilderness, happy, blah blah blah. But I think that looks kind of cool too. I'd come and watch these logs get dumped into the lake. I imagine they make quite the splash. Another interesting thing is they have caged some trees. They must be some sort of a walking variety of tree. And they do bad things, so they're put in tree jail. In fact, this one looks like it died in captivity. Very odd to cage a tree. Majestic. Here's an odd feature of the trail. What we have is a gravestone bench, I think. This way, Flash. So, you can sit on the grave and look at the lake. Well, it's called Sugarloaf because that piece of rock out there is supposed to look like a sugar loaf. Right there. Looks nothing like a sugar loaf. Not at all. Well, they've got a little root cellar here. And I might say creepy. Yeah, kids, go on in there and see the witch. So this is actually kind of cool. It kind of shows what used to be here. A lot of dead trees. And then they would get a tugboat and float them over to Ashland, Wisconsin. Crazy.
Yep.
Sugarloaf Cove eventually brings you out to this peninsula. Breathtaking views, crystal clear water. Definitely worth the walk. And kind of at the end of the trail, on the way back to the parking ramp, you do have what's called a nature center. Currently it's closed. Really not much in there. But there is a box o' money, baby. Box o' money. Restroom is closed, but they do have the outdoor shitter for your convenience.